Earth is the third planet in our solar system. Earth is a planet of oceans and land.
Earth has 90% of water. It would take 25 million people to hold hands to make one circle around the Earth. Jupiter is all gas, no land. Jupiter has a storm that never ends. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter is the fifth planet in our solar system. Mars is the home of Olympus Mons, the largest volcano found in the solar system. Mars is named after the Roman god of war. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. Mars is the closest planet to Earth. Mercury takes 59 days to make a rotation, but only 88 days to circle the Sun. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun.
Mercury is the first planet from the Sun. Mercury is one of 4 terrestrial planets in the solar system and has a rocky body like the Earth.
The Moon is 4.5 billion years old. The Moon is about 250,000 miles from the Earth. Neptune is the 8th planet. Neptune was discovered in 1846. Pluto is no longer a planet. It is called a dwarf planet. Pluto is the coldest and smallest planet. Pluto is about 3.6 billion miles from the Sun. It was discovered in 1930. Saturn is the second biggest planet. The ring that surrounds Saturn could be the parts of a moon that was shattered by Saturn's gravity. Saturn is almost 800 million miles from the Earth. A spacecraft would take at least 5 years to reach the planet. The Sun is made up of burning, exploding gases. Without our Sun, we would not be able to live on Earth. Uranus is the 7th planet in our solar system. Venus is the brightest planet in our sky and can sometimes be seen with your eye if you know where to look. Venus is covered by a thick layer of clouds. It is very, very hot on Venus.
On the planet of Mercury, the ground is more hot than boiling water.
Mercury has no air or no moons. Mercury's color is yellowish-brownish. Venus is about as big as the Earth. Venus is very, very hot. In fact, it is too hot for rain. It has thousands of volcanoes. It is covered in thick yellow clouds. Earth has one moon. Earth's color is green and blue. Earth is where we live. Earth is the third planet from the sun. Earth is 93 million miles away from the sun. The Earth is mostly made of water. Earth is the only planet that has air. Earth is the planet we were born on. Mars glows in the sky. Mars' sky is pink. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. Mars moons were discovered in 1877. Mars has a giant canyon. Jupiter has rings. Jupiter spins the fastest. Jupiter has 63 moons. Jupiter is a ball of gas. Jupiter is over 4,000 degrees in the middle. Saturn is covered with clouds. Saturn is the second biggest planet. Saturn is a giant gas ball. Saturn, its rings are made of dust and ice. Titan is the biggest moon. Uranus's rings are made of dust. It is blue. Uranus is the third largest planet. Uranus has 5 moons. Uranus is 4 times bigger than Earth. Neptune is about as large as Uranus. Neptune is very, very, very cold. Neptune has storms. Neptune is the 8th planet from the sun. It has at least 8 moons. In 2006, scientists said Pluto is a dwarf planet, smallest in its size. Pluto is 3 billion miles from Earth. Pluto is too far to see with a telescope. It takes 6 hours for sunlight to reach Pluto. Pluto only has 1 moon.